Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Medyo nakakalungkot, nakakadismayang balita ang pag-usapan natin ngayon tungkol sa ating Philippine National Police. I still believe mas marami ang matitinong pulis. Kaya lang, nadadama yung matitino sa ginagawa nitong mga iskalawags. Ito, sa balita ng Philippine Star, 1 hour ago na post, sabi, 31 police officers assigned with the District Special Operations Unit of the Eastern Police District were sacked from their posts after an operation that led to the theft of 75 million in cash and valuables on Wednesday. So, ano ngayon is Saturday? Grabe. It's a legitimate operation. Kaya lang, police operation, ang resulta, nagnakaw sila ng 75 million. Okay, basahin natin itong may article dito. Nakakapanghinayang. Ulitin ko. As a general rule, mas marami ang matitinong pulis. Yan ang aking paniniwala. So, sayang lang at may mga ganitong mga pulis na nai-involve sa kalukuhan. Ayan sa Nation, balita, NCRPO sacks 31 cops for stealing 75 million. Basahin natin 31 police officers assigned with the District Special Operations Unit were sacked from their posts after an operation that led to the theft of 75 million in cash and valuables on Wednesday. 8 of the officers, 4 staff sergeants, 2 corporals, and 2 patrolmen who directly took part in the operation were disarmed and placed under restrictive custody. Major General Anthony Aberin, National Capital Region for Police Officer of NCRPO Director, said the police officers, including 2 junior officials, are being investigated for possible criminal and administrative liabilities. In fairness, dito sa NCRPO Director, Regional Director, Major General Anthony Aberin, mabilis yung aksyon niya. Actually, mga 2 days ko na ito, nirelieve niya yung Eastern Police District Director. It's a Brigadier General. Nirelieve. So siguro, out of kasi nga, ulitin ko, naniniwala ko, marami kasi akong kaibigang pulis So, may maraming matitino. Nadadamay lang dito. Sabi ni General Aberin, I have ordered the investigation of the superior officers for command responsibility. So, nasibak din yung Eastern Police Director. Initial investigations showed that the officers raided a house in Barangay Almanza, in Las Piñas at 1:42 p.m. on Tuesday to serve a warrant of arrest on Chinese for violation of Republic Act 10591 or the Comprehensive Law on Firearms and Ammunition. But it turned out that the Chinese they arrested was not the same person covered by the warrant. Ay nako, pagkapalpak. Anong klaseng operation ito? Yung nakalagay sa warrant, iba yung bahay na pinuntahan. Grabing pagkapalpak. The proof showed the raiders disabling the closed-circuit television cameras at the house. They then opened the vault and scooped up cash and other items. Talagang plinano. Gusto nilang kunin yung pera. Based on an investigation report, the police officers allegedly took 75 million in cash and valuables, including a necklace, wristwatches, bracelet, and gold longevity locks. They also allegedly took $430,000 in cash. Ala, laki oh, 430,000. 110 Malaysian dollars and a Gucci bag and 2 cell phones. According to Abirin, the operation was riddled with flaws from the beginning, noting that no official was present and only non-commissioned officers carried out the raid. They went beyond their area of responsibility without proper pre-operations clearance. He said the police captain signed the pre-operation clearance but noted that this was not forwarded for approval by the Deputy Director for Operations. We have to understand that the captain has a boss at the District Special Operations Unit. Up the line, there are other high-ranking officers. The investigation showed that Eastern Police District Director Brigadier General Villamor Tulyao was not informed about the operation. Kawawa naman tong police general na ito. Proverbs said the police officers did not wear body cameras or utilize alternative recording devices to ensure transparency. They also found indications that the raiders were after more money, as one of them left a cell phone number with the wife of the Chinese they arrested, instructing her to call if she wanted to negotiate for her husband's release. Abiren said the police officers did not submit an initial report about the operation to their superiors. And then my 12 million bribery. The arrested Chinese was first brought to EPD but was taken to Las Piñas police on Thursday morning to supposedly undergo inquest proceedings for bribery. The police officers claimed in their defense that the victim's family offered a 12 million bribe for his release. But this baffled the Las Piñas police chief, as the inquest should have been made the previous day and directly. So, wala. Kalukuhan talaga ito ng mga lower ranking police, mga yun nga, mga staff sergeants, mga patrolman. So, nakakahiya sa ating Philippine National Police. Sana hindi na ito maulit pa. Mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa ating channel at nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig sa Bukidnon. Ang ating income is ginagastos natin para pagtulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng yero at pako para ma-repair ang mga sira-sirang bahay ng Talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
So babae lang gyud siya. Nga siya ra gyud ang nagpanday ini yang balay kay man siya lain masaligan.
Salamat kayo sa naghatag sa musin.
Oo.
Salamat kay Happy Kami.
Oo.
Salamat kay sa Ginoo. Oh, salamat jud sa gatanaw sa video. Di na mi matuluan.
Unsay mga ikaistorya te karon nga bago nakag-atop na ikaw na gid ang naghimo og balay. Unsay nga dili na ka matuluan.
Salamat kay sa Ginoo nga di na mi maulanan. Ug sa nag-sponsor ani nga daghang taon ta ilang matabangan. Lipay kay mi kay di na mi maulanan.
Nga maayo na inyong atop.
Di namin maulanan.
Oo. Nawala na tong mga dagko kay bursot nga inyong
Nawala
atop. Karon bag-o na.
Salamat kay sa naghatag ani. Unta daghan pa kay inyong mahatagan.
Daghan pa ang nanginahanglan nga sabad ninyo.
Daghan pa kay buslot ug atop.
Oo
Nga
dinhi.
daghan pa unta inyong mahatagan nga buslot ug atop pareha sa mong atop. Nga
Lagi.
buslot. Karon dili na buslot.
Oo, nindot na.
Tada na sinaw na.
Oo, sinaw na kaayo. Oo. Sige, salamat.
Salamat.
Oo, sige, bye-bye.